How to see the last online status of a user on a Roblox mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how we can check the last online status of a user on a Roblox mobile. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can see if when someone was active. So let's just dive right into the video step by step. Step number one is opening the Roblox app. Just go ahead and launch the Roblox app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account using your Roblox app. Just wait for the screen to be loaded, and after you have successfully logged in, at the top corner you can easily find the search bar. Just go ahead and tap the search icon at the top of the screen. After tapping on it, you're going to type the username of the person whose last status you want to check, hit the search and select their profile from the results. For example, my friend, this friend right here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on it and go to the people section. And when I tap on that profile, you can see the offline section here. So here, you can either find that way if that person is online, but if you don't see their last online status, some user may have privacy settings enabled, hiding their activity status. So you will need to be friends with them if their profile is set to private. And if someone's online, you usually see a green dot next to their username on their profile or the friends list. And that's how you basically check someone's last online status on Roblox Mobile. So if this video helped you, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and let me know in the comments if there is anything else you want to learn, and see you in the next video.